Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Patriot engine light. First, locate your check engine light on the dashboard. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear minor issues, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off before attempting any reset procedures. This initial step is quick and often effective for temporary warnings. One common method involves disconnecting your battery. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative battery terminal. It's important to wait for at least 15 minutes to allow the vehicle's computer system to fully reset. After the waiting period, securely reconnect the negative terminal. This method can often clear the engine light for many common, non-critical issues. For a more precise approach, an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner is invaluable. Plug the scanner into your Jeep Patriot's diagnostic port, usually found under the dashboard. The scanner will display any stored trouble codes, giving you insight into the problem. After noting the codes, select the Clear Codes option to turn off the engine light. This tool helps diagnose and reset effectively. While these methods can reset your engine light, it's crucial to know when to seek professional help. If the light reappears quickly after a reset, or if you notice performance issues like stalling, misfires, or unusual noises, it's time for a mechanic. Persistent warning lights often indicate a more serious underlying problem that requires expert diagnosis and repair. Your safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.